So now you had a recce overall discussing about 27th Christmas and so what has been decided? What are instructions you have given?
Yeah, our entire team was with me now, and we did like a pre-planning for the 24th as well as 27th, and for the entire period, what we are planning to have the show from the 24th to the 2nd of January. The idea of having this recce today was basically to see how we could manage the crowds, what are the requirements which we need to put in place, and ensure that there is a seamless flow of people in and out after the shows. And I think we have identified certain shortcomings which are there, which we are trying to work on. And yes, all in all, I think by the 23rd, we should be ready for all this.
So overall information, whatever you wanted, you have given instructions to everyone.
All instructions have been given. We are working on it. Most probably tomorrow we will have a meeting with our environment minister to take a full review as what preparatory homework what we have done today, and we will also brief him as to what are the strategy what we have worked out for the 24th as well as the 27th.
Thank you. Father, आजही तुम्ही रॅकी केलेली आसा overall as far as Christmas मागीर about the show and all, how it has been.
Yeah, basically today we had a meeting to discuss a few events that are coming up. First of all, after the midnight mass, we will have the premiere show of the 3D laser mapping based on the life of Saint Francis Xavier. And from that day, from the 24th, after the midnight mass, we will start this 7 to 10 minute shows in a duration of half an hour every day till the 2nd of January. So to discuss all the details, how we will let in people, how we will see to the circulation of the people's movements, and especially to discuss about the 27th highlight of the exposition, that is the Shillong Chamber Choir performing in a live concert against the backdrop, majestic backdrop of the Sai Cathedral. All the PWD officials, all the relevant officials were also present, and different aspects how to make this a smooth event was discussed. We had a recce also. We went physically to the places to see where can there be places where people will stand or people will sit, where will be the toilets placed, where will be our additional lighting that has to come up, then how will be the entry and exit points of the people. All these things were taken into account, and accordingly teams were called for this meeting. Recce was performed, and we are moving ahead by chalking out a floor plan and everything. The event organizer, Mr. Elvis, is also there, and he will prepare a flow chart, flow map, and based on that flow map we will discuss with the police and the other relevant officials in the coming days.
Father, tell us about the highlights of this 3D, that so that people are aware how important it is.
3D mapping is a wonderful type of a show. First time in Goa, projected against the majestic side facade of the Sai Cathedral. It will have the life of Saint Francis Xavier depicted on this majestic wall in a beautiful manner. It will be a sight to behold. It will be a wonderful show. I think all of us, the people of Goa, must come and witness this 3D laser mapping show starting from the midnight, after the midnight mass, and it will run up till the 2nd of January.
So it will be free, and what it is, and how many shows in a day, and what will be the duration or span of time?
Yeah, the last mass, it will be after the last mass every day in a duration of half an hour. The show itself is say 7 to 10 minutes, and this will run, as I have said, till the 2nd of January. It is a free show completely. All this laser mapping show and Shillong Chamber Choir will be a free show. There won't be tickets. and we are expecting huge crowd.
So after last mass, when you say it will be might start after 7:30.
Yes.
So how many shows in a day? Any
We
plan?
plan to start it exactly at maybe 7:15 or latest by 7:20, and it will run in a duration from taking into account 10 minutes.
And
That
gap
will
of?
be a duration. A gap of half an hour.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.